I flew from Singapore all the way to Korea to try Samsung new products. And here I am at the Samsung showroom where I had the privilege of experiencing the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Without delay, let's get into the improvement of the thickness of the phone when folded. If you all remember this video,
when it's closed, it's close to the thickness of 2 phones.
And because of this fact, even though they have improved over the years, it still is 2 phones thick. And I do not like this at all because of this gap. However, the Fold 5 has effectively addressed this issue, impressively reducing the gap, resulting in a sleeker design with a thickness equivalent to 1.5 phones now. Because it's actually pretty thin. Now let's go straight into the camera comparison. Pitting the Fold 5 against the esteemed iPhone 14 Pro and the innovative Google Pixel 7 Pro. Starting with the regular back lens, the iPhone color appears slightly darker and unsaturated, whereas the Pixel boosts brightness with low contrast. Remarkably, the Fold 5 strikes an ideal balance and displays vivid colors with contrast that's just right for my eyes. And this is something that I didn't see until I saw it on my computer. If you look at the top left, the dynamic range showcase these 3 photos is so interesting because you can see a lot more detail captured by the Fold 5. When it comes to sharpness, the Fold 5 shines, outperforming both iPhone and Pixel with stunning clarity. As for the wide lens, the Fold 5 does take the lead with a smaller gap on the Pixel 7 Pro. Pixel at launch had a very impressive telephoto lens compared to the iPhone 14 Pro. But I believe the Fold 5 takes this even further with its sharpness and its image processing. Further enhance the sharpness, making the image appear even crisper than they are by basically crushing the blacks. There are a lot of camera features from Pro to Pro Video that I did test in my limited time but didn't manage to get the footage. One interesting feature that I found out is the director's view, where you can see all 3 lens perspective and you can change it while recording. Okay, and that's it for the testing. If you want to see more front camera stuff, video stuff, please let me know in detail so that when I get the device, which I'm gonna get the Fold 5, the tablet, and the watch, I'll be sure to test it and answer any questions you have. Now for the specs, Singapore price and release date. So I actually just got all the information after the whole testing a day later. You can pre-order it now and you will get it on the 4th of August. That's with the Flip 5 as well. Now price! Whew. For the 256GB version, it's gonna be $2,398. For the 1TB version, it's gonna be $2,938. And it comes with 3 colors, the Ice Blue, Cream, and Phantom Black. There is exclusive colors online for Samsung.com, which I didn't see, or maybe I missed out, which is the blue and gray. For me, the Phantom Black, just... Then you have other prices for the accessories, y'all can see it for yourself. I do have other information. If you pre-order it, you get Samsung Care Plus. I'll just put it in the screen. There's a lot of lists of where to buy also. For this one, I'm just a messenger. Y'all can go to the description. For spec wise, I'm not gonna go through all of them. I'm just gonna put it on the screen and in the description as well. One thing that I want to highlight, when folded, is 13.4mm. If you compare that with the Fold 4, it was 15.8 if I'm not wrong. So that's an improvement of 2.4mm, which is a very good improvement. Because if you can see from the video, it's a lot thinner. One concern that I had, and I'm pretty sure all of y'all had, is that because it's folding a lot more tighter, will the screen be more crease? You know, like you fold paper and then there's a crease. Apparently, they did say they use better materials. So in terms of durability, they are claiming that it's as good or even better than the Fold 4. This one, take it with a grain of salt because this one they tell me, I never test. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, that's it. Like I said, if you have any more questions, please feel free to comment in the comments below. I only had 2 hours for all the products. That's why I decided in that 2 hours, just concentrate on the Fold 5. But I will have the device as soon as this whole embargo thing is lifted and I can really go in depth into this device. So if you have any questions, want to see whatever feature, let me know. Other than that, thank you so much. Hope this video has been insightful and I'm done.